Hi, how are you?
Thank you. How are you?
I'm doing good too. Thank you very much. What's your name?
Sahiba.
Sahiba. And where are you speaking to me from?
I'm from India.
Oh, wow. Nice. So how are you doing?
Just
Oh, can you hear me properly?
yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, great. So
What's your
tell
name?
me, we only have, my name is Annie.
Annie. Oh, nice name. Where are you?
I am from California in the United States. But I'm now living in Mexico City. Like this.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah. I've been here for many years now.
Sorry?
I have been living here for many years now in Mexico.
Great. Nice. So,
So how,
what's
go
your
ahead.
What's your profession?
I am currently
Can you
a
hear me?
PhD student in biomedicine.
Oh, PhD. Oh. Oh, very nice.
I think, yeah.
You are a student.
Yes, I am a PhD student and I work here in Cambly, so I am a tutor and a student. Yeah.
Oh, very nice. You are so intelligent.
No. Not at all. Just what about you? What do you
Okay. I am student. I am studying 12th grade.
Oh, so you're in high school last year.
Yeah, high school.
Okay, great. And how long have you been learning English for?
Actually, I joined the Cambly 2 weeks.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're very new.
Yeah.
And how is your experience here
Yes.
on Cambly?
Sorry.
How has your experience been here on Cambly?
A good experience.
Okay, that's good. We
I
oh
I can't understand English, so I can't understand English so much yet.
don't worry. That's what we're here for. We want to help you improve your active listening, but also your speaking skills mostly. And we don't have enough time today, but we can. I can show you some of the activities I like to do here on Cambly. Usually, do a lesson from Cambly, but we can also take a look at Ingo articles to perfect your reading, your pronunciation. Have you done these before?
Sorry?
Have you tried Ingo before?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, it's very useful to do on Cambly. Also, there's another website that I really like called Grammarly. I'm going to share a link with you. I like to use to teach grammar lessons. For example, I'm going to share my screen and show you. Okay. Just give me a quick second. I'm going to share my screen. So this is something called Grammarly blog, and it has a lot of cool small lessons on how to write and read in English and perfect your grammar. So show you. We have writing tips, grammar, trends, inspiration, and it's very simple and easy to go through. We have all of these possibilities, so they can teach us like idioms, for example. Do you know what an idiom is? Okay, so yeah, here we have many examples of idioms, how to understand them, vocabulary. See, we can try a lesson like this some other time, but we also have writing tips, for example. They give us strategies to make our text look better. If you're writing an essay for school, it tells you how to make it sound better, be more presentable. So it's something I like to recommend a lot to my students. And also just the grammar part. If you want to learn about, spelling, fractions, passive voice, singular, parallelism, mixed construction, these are all styles of reading. So it's also very helpful. Yeah, so I sent you the link. You could use it here on Cambly. And I have another thing I would like to recommend to you. Conversation starters. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Great. So this website is a series of many questions, and it's a fun game whenever you just want to practice speaking. Instead of going through a lesson, we can use this. And what I like to do is ask my students to pick a random number from 1 to 250. And we can talk about literally anything. There's so many questions here. So would you like to pick a number before we're done today? Any number, from a random number from 1 to 250. You can pick any number and we'll see what question it is.
Okay. This number? 1.
You can pick
50.
You can pick any number, like think of any number between 1 and 250. So you could say 70, 80, 90, whichever number you like.
4.
4, okay. So this one's already here. And this question says, what 3 words best describe you? Can you think of 3 words that describe you well?
I can't English.
It's okay. That's what we're here for. So whenever you don't know how to say a word, try to use your translation box. You can send it in your language and we can translate it to English, or try to explain it. That way we can help you find the words. That's what we're here for, to help you find the words. So don't give up. Don't say, I don't know. That's what we're here for, to learn, right? And don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. Yeah. So, well, these are just some tools you can use for other lessons with other tutors if you like. They're very helpful and they make the class go fast and easy. So, yeah, I hope we can see each other again. Do you have any questions today?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, our time is up now, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care of yourself, and good luck on your English journey.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.